So honestly, I'm here with a bit of heavy heart. This video that you are going to observe is probably going to make you upset as it did me. My message first is to the men and women of the INPD that day in and day out do a spectacular job of protecting this community and treating people with the respect that they deserve. It's interesting. This month marks my 34th year in law enforcement. And although I'm not a stranger to officers behaving badly, I think the fact that you'll see this on body cam is really going to bring it home in personal. I'm upset. It hurts me to see any of our officers treat someone the way that you're going to see here shortly. No excuse for it. I promised this community and I promised our officers that I would be transparent. That's in good times and bad times. This is a bad time. But I think the community deserves it. Hopefully they'll understand that not only myself but my team acted swiftly and we were prompt in our decisions to remove police powers from these individuals that were involved and to launch these investigations, including the criminal investigation.
It's about you.
No, nobody cares what you're
saying. Nobody cares what you do either.
Not really.
You understand that?
Yeah, I'm not the one out here complaining.
No, that was the thing. Nobody cares what you do anymore.
I know, nobody's out here complaining.
Nobody cares what you do anymore. You understand that?
Lean back.
Nobody cares what you do anymore.
Lean back.
How the fuck am I gonna lean back with the fucking you hold my belt?
Look, we're not gonna do this, right? We're not gonna do this, right?
Stop. You're done. You're done. You're done.
Are we done now?
Roll over. You're done.
I can't.
Roll over.
I can't.
You're done. There you go. You're done. There you go. There you go. Done. Police brutality.
Just link him up.
There you go. Police brutality. There you go. Didn't resist.
Back with the fucking you hold my belt.
We're not gonna do this, right?
We're
Stop.
done.
You're done. You're done. You're done.
Are we done now?
Roll over. You're done.
I can't.
Roll over.
I can't.
You're done. There you go. You're done. There you go. There you go. Done. Police brutality.
Just link him up.
There you go. Police brutality.